मुझे जाना है। I have to go. I have to go. तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? What is your name? What is your name? क्या तुम मुझे ये दे सकते हो? Can you give me this? Can you give me this? आप कैसे हैं? How are you? How are you? ये कहाँ है? Where is this? Where is this? क्या मैं आ सकता हूँ? Can I come? Can I come? क्या तुमने खाना खाया? Did you eat? Did you eat? आपको क्या चाहिए? What do you want? What do you want? मैं तुम्हें समझता हूँ. I understand you. I understand you. मुझे वो पसंद है. I like that. I like that. आप यहाँ क्यों हैं? Why are you here? Why are you here? क्या तुम मेरी मदद कर सकते हो? Can you help me? Can you help me? ये कितने का है? How much is this? How much is this? आपका दिन कैसा रहा? How was your day? How was your day? क्या तुम्हारे पास पानी है? Do you have water? Do you have water? मुझे ये समझ में नहीं आता. I don't understand this. I don't understand this. क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हैं? Can you tell me? Can you tell me? तुम क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? What are you doing? तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? Where are you going? क्या मैं आपकी कुछ मदद कर सकता हूँ? Can I help you with something? Can I help you with something? आपकी उम्र क्या है? What is your age? What is your age? आप क्या करते हैं? What do you do? What do you do? क्या तुम ठीक हो? Are you okay? Are you okay? ये कब होगा? When will this happen? When will this happen? क्या आप खुश हैं? Are you happy? Are you happy? आपको ये कहाँ मिला? Where did you find this? Where did you find this? तुम क्या सोच रहे हो? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? क्या आपने तय किया? Have you decided? Have you decided? क्या आपके पास समय है? Do you have time? Do you have time? मुझे अभी जाना होगा. I must go now. I must go now. तुम्हें क्या लगता है? What do you think? What do you think? ये मेरा है. This is mine. This is mine. क्या मैं इसे ले सकता हूँ? कैन आई टेक दिस? कैन आई टेक दिस? क्या तुम मेरे साथ चलोगे? विल यू कम विद मी? विल यू कम विद मी? आप अच्छे लग रहे हो। यू लुक गुड। यू लुक गुड। मुझे ये नहीं चाहिए। आई डोंट वॉन्ट दिस। आई डोंट वॉन्ट दिस। क्या आपने सुना? डिड यू हियर? डिड यू हियर? आप कब आएंगे? When will you come? When will you come? मुझे विश्वास है। I believe. I believe. ये मुझे पसंद नहीं है। I don't like this. I don't like this. तुम्हारा जन्मदिन कब है? When is your birthday? When is your birthday? क्या आप मेरे साथ खेलोगे? Will you play with me? Will you play with me? आपकी राय क्या है? What is your opinion? What is your opinion? क्या ये सही है? Is this right? Is this right? आप कब तक रुकोगे? How long will you stay? How long will you stay? मुझे ठंड लग रही है। I am feeling cold. I am feeling cold. ये बहुत महंगा है। This is very expensive. This is very expensive. क्या आप मेरे साथ डिनर करेंगे? Will you have dinner with me? Will you have dinner with me? आप कहाँ रहते हैं? Where do you live? Where do you live? मुझे खेद है। I am sorry. I am sorry. क्या तुम मुझे जगह दिखा सकते हो? Can you show me the place? Can you show me the place? ये किसका है? Whose is this? Whose is this? आप कितनी देर में आओगे? How will you come arrive? How will you come arrive? मुझे थोड़ा और समय चाहिए। I need a little more time. I need a little more time. आप ये क्यों कर रहे हो? Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? ये कैसे काम करता है? How does this work? How does this work? क्या तुम मुझे सुन सकते हो? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? मैं खो गया हूँ। I am lost. I am lost. क्या ये सुरक्षित है? Is this safe? Is this safe? आप क्या पढ़ रहे हैं? What are you reading? What are you reading? तुम्हारी माँ कैसी है? How is your mother? How is your mother? ये बहुत अच्छा है। This is very good. This is very good. क्या हम चल सकते हैं? Can we go? Can we go? मुझे ये समझाओ। Explain this to me. Explain this to me. तुम कब वापस आओगे? When will you come back? When will you come back? ये कितना भारी है? How heavy is this? How heavy is this? क्या आपके पास कुछ सुझाव हैं? Do you have any suggestions? Do you have any suggestions? मुझे थोड़ी नींद चाहिए. I need more sleep. I need more sleep. आप कैसे आए? How did you come? How did you come? क्या आप चाय पियोगे? Will you have tea? Will you have tea? ये कब खुलेगा? When will this open? When will this open? मुझे ये जगह पसंद है. I like this place. I like this place. तुम्हें क्या ज़रूरत है? What do you need? What do you need? ये बहुत गर्म है. It's very hot. It's very hot. आपने ये क्यों चुना? Why did you choose this? Why did you choose this? मैं तुम्हें देख सकता हूँ. I can see you. I can see you. क्या आपको मज़ा आया? Did you enjoy? Did you enjoy? तुम क्या खा रहे हो? What are you eating? What are you eating? क्या मैं बैठ सकता हूँ? May I sit? May I sit? ये मुझे डराता है. This scares me. This scares me. क्या तुम्हारे पास पैसे हैं? Do you have money? Do you have money? आपका शुक्रिया. Thank you. Thank you. ये कैसे हुआ? How did this happen? How did this happen? मैं खेलना चाहता हूँ. I want to play. I want to play. क्या आप डांस करोगे? Will you dance? Will you dance? आप यहाँ कब से हैं? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. तुम कैसे आए? How did you come? How did you come? ये बहुत छोटा है. It's too small. It's too small. क्या आप नाराज हैं? Are you angry? Are you angry? आप इतनी देर से क्यों हैं? Why are you so late? Why are you so late? मैं तुमसे प्यार करता हूँ. I love you. I love you. ये मेरे लिए महत्वपूर्ण है. This is important to me. This is important to me. क्या आपने फैसला कर लिया? Have you made your decision? Have you made your decision? आप कितनी देर रुकोगे? How long will you stay? How long will you stay? मुझे कुछ काम है. I have some work. I have some work. क्या ये आरामदायक है? Is this comfortable? Is this comfortable? मैं ये नहीं कर सकता. I can't do this. I can't do this. आपका पसंदीदा रंग क्या है? What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color? क्या आप खेलना चाहते हैं? Do you want to play? Do you want to play? आप क्या सोच रहे हैं? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? मुझे आराम की ज़रूरत है. I need to rest. I need to rest. क्या तुम मेरे साथ आओगे? Will you come with me? Will you come with me? ये किसके लिए है? Who is this for? Who is this for? क्या ये सही समय है? Is this the right time? Is this the right time? मैं कैसा दिख रहा हूँ? How do I look? How do I look? तुम कहाँ से हो? Where are you from? Where are you from? मुझे ये करना होगा. I have to do this. I have to do this. आपको क्या लगता है? What do you feel? What do you feel? मैं थक गया हूँ. I am tired. I am tired. आपको यहाँ क्या आकर्षित करता है? What attracts you here? What attracts you here? तुम क्यों हंस रहे हो? Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? क्या मैं इसे प्रयोग कर सकता हूँ? Can I use this? Can I use this? आपने ये कब खरीदा? When did you buy this? When did you buy this? मैं आपको समझता हूँ. I understand you. I understand you. ये मेरे लिए नया है. This is new to me. This is new to me. क्या ये दर्दनाक है? Is it painful? Is it painful? तुम किस स्कूल में पढ़ते हो? Which school do you go to? Which school do you go to? क्या आप तैयार हैं? Are you ready? Are you ready? मुझे और जानना है. I want to know more. I want to know more. ये कब बंद होता है? When does it close? When does it close? आप क्या खा रहे हैं? What are you eating? What are you eating? क्या मैं इसे खरीद सकता हूँ? Can I buy this? Can I buy this? आपको यहाँ कैसा लग रहा है? How do you feel here? How do you feel here? क्या ये स्थायी है? Is this permanent? Is this permanent? मुझे तुम्हारी ज़रूरत है. I need you. I need you. ये किसने बनाया? Who made this? Who made this? आपकी क्या योजना है? What is your plan? What is your plan? क्या आप मुझे सुन सकते हैं? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? तुम क्या चाहते हो? What do you want? What do you want? ये कितना समय लेगा? How long will it take? How long will it take? क्या ये आरामदायक है? Is it comfortable? Is it comfortable? क्या आप इसे पसंद करते हैं? Do you like it? Do you like it? मुझे डर लग रहा है. I am scared. I am scared. आप इसे कहाँ रखोगे? Where will you put this? Where will you put this? तुम किससे मिलने जा रहे हो? Whom are you going to meet? Whom are you going to meet? क्या आपने अपना मन बदल लिया? Have you changed your mind? Have you changed your mind? मैं इसे समझ सकता हूँ. I can understand this. I can understand this. क्या ये आवश्यक है? Is this necessary? Is this necessary? आप कहाँ काम करते हैं? Where do you work? Where do you work? क्या मैं इसे छू सकता हूँ? Can I touch this? Can I touch this? तुम्हारा पसंदीदा खाना क्या है? What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food? ये कितना मजबूत है? How strong is it? How strong is it? क्या तुम तैयार हो? Are you ready? Are you ready? आप ये कैसे करते हैं? How do you do this? How do you do this? आपका सप्तांत कैसा रहा? How was your week? How was your week? क्या आप मुझे एक पल दे सकते हैं? Can you give me a moment? Can you give me a moment? आपका जन्मदिन कब है? When is your birthday? When is your birthday? क्या ये वास्तविक है? Is this real? Is this real? मैं आपकी प्रशंसा करता हूँ. I admire you. I admire you. सो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे. आज की वीडियो में इतना ही. अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करके चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को ज़रूर प्रेस कर दीजिएगा, क्योंकि इस चैनल पर आपको आगे भी ऐसी इंग्लिश लर्निंग वीडियोस मिलती रहेंगी. सो अब हम मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कुछ नए सेंटेंसेस के साथ. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय बाय, कीप लर्निंग.